Hey, this is Ken.
And I'm Leanne.
This is Journeys with Ken and Leanne. And we are out on the property. We had a pretty bad storm come through our area last night. About, what time was that? About
I don't know. Probably about 8:30. Yeah, I was watching it on radar and could tell that it was worse on Holly Hill than we had at the house. It was pretty bad at the house.
It was. There was buckets coming down, thunder, lightning. Whole house was shaking. We never lost power there, though, so that was a plus.
And we don't quite have power here yet, so we don't know.
Well, we have the temp power. Come on, don't break that.
We have temp power, but we don't know how it held up last night. So.
All right, so we came up and looked at the property, and the property's actually looking really good. There are a few little areas that we have a little bit of concern with of where it's holding water, but I'm sure that they're going to get taken care of because we'll talk to Rick.
Right. Some of the things we can do. You can see a video here in just a second, where I was walking up the driveway, so I think we've got some more rock to add.
Yep.
Well, a lot of mud washed down, but we had a lot of rain in a short period of time. So
yeah, a lot of rain. All right, well, let me show you a few of the areas that we're talking about.
Good morning. Wow. I'm on vacation this week, only because I have to take it or I'm going to lose it. So, at the property, Ken is at work but was able to take a break and meet me. He's going to pick me up. I'm walking some of the driveway. See how we held up during a really bad storm last night. So the posts are good and secured that we put up Saturday. You will see that in episode 21. There's where the water is pouring down. Let's see our riffraff work. I don't see Norm, the snake. That's episode 16 maybe. Looks good. Still got some dirt washing down in there, so we may have to add some more rock, but we need that. And then here comes Ken. Get on this side of the driveway. I can hear him. I was going to see how far I could walk before he picks me up. Exercise. But, bam, here he comes.
And here's the culvert that we put all the rocks in. You can see all the dirt that came down off the hill. That's okay though, that's okay. Get those rocks in there to hold up that dirt from going into the culvert. Let's go across the way. As you can see here, the dirt's kind of built up a little bit. That's all right. It's all right. It's looking pretty good. Not too much water setting, so all in all, pretty good. Right here is the first area that we're concerned about, and that is that's the driveway coming into the area. I know that we're going to end up putting some more topsoil down here. This is going to be a driveway with more gravel right there. But over here is my big concern. Let's go on over there. All right, this is where the water rushed down. If you go back, and I don't remember what episode it was that. Do you remember what episode that was?
It was 16. It was the snake.
Yeah, the snake episode 16 or whatever that was, and we put rocks all here to slow the water down, but at the bottom you can see it's just holding water, because I know that we're still in construction and stuff, but we're going to need some sort of a ditch right here to bring it over that way right there. So some sort of ditch to channel it out so it doesn't just sit here. Another area is right here where the driveway is going to be. This is a big dip area right here that we're going to have to get filled in with dirt, and then so it doesn't pool up right there. Right here is where the shop is, and this is a concern I've got, that they've got,
Hey, sorry.
that they've got this, it goes downhill right here to the shop. I know that they're going to pour a monolithic pour right there, but I'm just concerned the water rushing to it will either undermine it or cause the foundation to seep. So I'm sure that they'll address that. I know that where they're putting down a vapor barrier underneath the pores.
We saw footprints and tire prints, so we know they've been out here to do the same thing that we're doing. It's assessing where the water is standing and what to do to keep it from being an issue.
Absolutely.
But all in all, really good. Of course, we're on top of a hill, so except for those low points, everything's rolled down hill.
Well, as you can see, not too bad, not too worse for wear, right?
No, not too bad. Know some things. Knowledge is power.
Yeah, like I said, I'd love to be sitting out here during the storm just to see where the water pools up and where it's flowing to.
Well, we both like to watch storms too. So.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. All right. Well, we appreciate you watching today. If this is your first time, go down to the subscribe button, hit that bell so you know when stuff comes out. And
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Journeys with Ken and Leanne.
all right. Until next time, hope you enjoyed the journey.